Hello everybody, today we have this new exhaust fan that I'm going to show you guys. This fan has a diameter of, on the top, the middle part will be 28 inches. And for the base, we have 21 inch by 21 inch and has a volume of 1160 CFM. Also, the power for this unit is 110 to 120 volts, 60 hertz single phase. And the RPM for this one is 1100 RPM. So it's good for like a hood of 4 feet to 6 feet. You can use it for the restaurant hood or for the food truck. And if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can check out our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.